What's going on, guys? I am Pat the Pac-Man, and if you want to learn what your dog needs and wants in order to be happy, fulfilled, and well-behaved, well, you came to the right place. On this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what it is that you need to do in order to be the pack leader to your dog. As soon as puppies are born, the mother starts to teach them everything that they need to know. She controls how they play, she keeps them calm during feedings, and when they come to live with us as humans, our job is to teach them those same directions, boundaries, and limits. A lot of people think that being a leader is just about being angry and tough and mean. Couldn't be farther from the truth. Being a true pack leader is about being calm all the time. But in addition to the calmness, you have to be able to add the assertive part, the firm part, the tough part, in order for your dog to take you seriously when it's time to let them know what it is that they should do or what it is that they shouldn't do. A real pack leader that understands the psychology of a dog uses calm energy to influence the dogs. Calmness, that energy, helps them deal and cope with their surroundings. They enforce rules in a calm and firm way. An example of this is when a mom dog would correct a puppy who is maybe approaching her food a little too much, and she lets out a little growl. A lot of people interpret that as if the dog is being aggressive. She's not. She's just letting the puppy know, or letting any other dog know, that that boundary is being penetrated and that's just not allowed. Ownership of territory is very important. Dogs claim territory by first asserting themselves in a calm but firm fashion. Then they communicate this ownership with energy and body language and eye contact. When a dog truly understands that you own the space, then they'll respect you as an authority figure. Waiting calmly is another way that humans can establish their position as a pack leader. You want your dog to wait for food in a calm state of mind. You want them to be calm before allowing them to enter and exit doorways. Being calm, learning to be calm, is a form of mental stimulation for a dog. Believe it or not, teaching them to be calm drains a lot of mental energy, which makes them tired. Remember, guys, you never want to give your dog any kind of reward unless they're in a calm state of mind. Calm state of mind. Even though dogs don't really need to go hunt for food anymore, they still need to work for their food in a mental and/or physical capacity. You can make sure that your dog understands that you're the pack leader by making them work for their rewards, which in this case, we'll use food as an example. You're gonna take them on a nice long walk, a walk that's done properly. Then when you bring him back home, then you give him his food as a reward. But before you present that food and you give him that food, always make sure that he is in a calm state of mind. This way, you're rewarding calmness. And believe me, mental and physical stimulation, otherwise known as work, drains tons of energy and gives your dog a calm state of mind, which ultimately is what we should want to begin with. Listen, knowing your pack and what they need, want, and desire in order to be happy, fulfilled, and well-behaved is the key to cement and to establish your role as a true pack leader in their eyes. That's really how you respect the dog's dogness, is you provide them what it is that they want and need first. Then in return, they can provide you what it is that you want and need after that. True pack leaders are respectful, they're real, and they're honest. They live in the present, they accept, they forgive, they understand. True pack leaders are balanced. They're always calm and firm, in balance, always in balance. For dogs, instinctually, they need a pack leader to establish directions, boundaries, and limits for them. They need to have expectations, what it is that's required of them, what their role is, what their position is, what is it that we want from them. By doing so, we're gonna nurture a healthy state of mind, and we're gonna make sure that our dogs are happy, they're fulfilled, and they're well behaved. And that, my friends, is what the mission is about. Because after all, it's about training people, not training dogs. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Hope you enjoyed this video. Pat the Pac-Man. Catch you next time. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more, make sure you wag your tail on over and bark at that subscribe button. This way you won't miss out on all the cool stuff that we post. In addition, you won't miss out on our podcast, Barking for Balance, which premieres every Thursday. Believe me, you don't want to miss out on that. It's really cool. Links down below on all podcast platforms. In addition, make sure you check us out on Facebook and Instagram. This way you don't miss out on all the content that we don't post on YouTube, in addition to staying up to date with all the cool stuff that we got going on. Remember, guys, it's about training people, not training dogs.